There are several occasions when your vehicle might malfunction, which can cause a problem for you and your passengers' safety. Here are some malfunctions and what to do to stay safe. Flat tires are more common than any other of the vehicle malfunctions discussed during this course if your vehicle is properly maintained. A dead battery is a battery that has no more electricity. If your vehicle has a dead battery, be very careful if you jump-start it from another vehicle's battery. Either battery could explode and cause you injury. If you can jump a vehicle, take the vent caps off both vehicle batteries, and turn off lights, heater and air conditioning, and radio. Connect the positive post of the dead battery to the positive post of the live battery and do the same for the negative post. Make sure the vehicles are not touching, turn on the vehicle and run it for a few minutes. Remove the cables and put the vent caps back on. Batteries can also be charged by connecting them to some other external power source. Other vehicle malfunctions include tire blowout, power steering failure, engine failure, accelerator failure, tire failure, car catches on fire, power brake failure, brake failure, and total steering failure. To move a disabled vehicle off the roadway, gently and smoothly take your foot off the accelerator. Do not brake hard or suddenly. Immediately turn on your four-way flashers and carefully move the vehicle to a safe location in the emergency lane or on the shoulder of the roadway. If you are on the interstate, try to reach an exit. Signal your intentions to drivers behind you. If it is necessary to change lanes, watch your mirrors and the traffic around you closely. Once off the road, make your vehicle visible. Put reflectorized triangles behind your vehicle to alert other drivers. If it is dark, turn on the interior dome light. If the vehicle is beyond repair, get professional help. Do not try to flag down other vehicles. Raise your hood and tie something white to the radio antenna or hang it out a window so police officers or tow truck operators will know help is needed. If the vehicle is in the roadway, don't stand behind or next to your vehicle. Stand away from the vehicle and wait for help to arrive. If your vehicle is safely out of traffic, wait inside the vehicle with the doors locked. Use your phone to call for help. If someone stops and offers to help, open the window slightly and ask them to call the police. Watch for a uniformed police officer or other emergency personnel. All interstate highways and major roads are patrolled regularly. Also, some highways have special call for help phones.